In today's video, I'll teach you how to lock TikTok app on Android. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open settings of your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is simply scroll down and find this option for security. After you do that, tap on it. Now in the security interface, you'll be able to find various options. In the devices like Samsung and Xiaomi, you'll be able to find the option for app security. What you have to do is simply tap on it and toggle the button on for TikTok. Right now that option is not available for me, but I'll tell you what to do. If that option is not available in your device, what you can do is simply install the third-party application. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for app lock. You'll be able to see various results over here. Tap on the app that you would like to install. Here I'm just going to install this application App Lock by Cool App. So what you have to do is tap on the option install and it will be installed. Now after you do that, open the App Lock application. Now you'll be required to set a PIN for yourself, or you can also set the pattern, fingerprints, etc. Simply follow through the prompts in order to do it. After you do that, you'll be able to see the app list installed in your device over here. What you have to do is find the option for TikTok. Once you do that, tap on the option TikTok. You'll also be prompted to allow some of the permissions to app lock if you're using for the first time. Now after you do that, you can see over here it will be locked. Now you can simply try opening the TikTok. Now you can see over here TikTok application has been locked. You'll have to unlock it in order to use. So like this, you'll be able to lock the TikTok app. So that is how you lock TikTok app on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.